Math Lesson 8.1. For today's math lesson, boys and girls, we are not going to do page 541. So we are just going to skip that page and move on to the next page.
Hi, old boys and girls. Kermit the Frog here. I am going to read you what is in the light colored section that is light purple. I like purple, but not as much as green. It says a color tile is about 1 inch long. Yep. About how many inches long is this string? The string is green. I like this string. Count the color tiles to find how many inches long the string is. 1, 2, 3, 4. The string is 4 color tiles long. So the string is about 4 inches long because each tile is about 1 inch long. Bye-bye.
So boys and girls, what I'd like you to do now is get out a pair of scissors and cut out the row of tiles from the example. So you can have your own row of tiles that you're going to use for each of the next few problems. So hit pause and go ahead and cut out the row of tiles. All right, now that you've cut out your row of tiles, go ahead and line them up with number 1 so you can see and measure the object in tiles. We'll call this a striped ribbon. So if I line up my row of tiles that I cut out against the ribbon, it seems that it's about 1, 2, 3 tiles long. And since each tile is about 1 inch long, this ribbon is about 3 inches long. Let's go ahead now and try number 2. Slide your row of tiles, line it up with the very end of the tile. And since our row of tiles isn't as long as the string, we can either use our eyeballs to estimate, and it looks like the string is about 5 squares long, or 5 tiles long, so that makes it 5 inches long. Let's go down to number 3. Slide our row of tiles down. Number 3 looks to be about 2 tiles long. 1, 2. So string number 3 is 2 inches long. Now let's go down to our last. It's a straw for number 4. And that straw looks to be about 4 tiles long. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our straw is about 4 inches long. Now let's turn to page 543.
Hi, boys and girls. Kermit the Frog here, once again, to help you with your math. I still hope you have your tile strip that you cut out from the last page, just like the one below, this one right here. Very nice. You're going to use it to answer these questions, numbers 5 through 9. Right now, you might want to press pause on the video, complete the problems on this page, and when you're ready to check your answers, press play. Good luck. Bye-bye. Hello again, boys and girls. Time to check your answers. So move your tile strip up to number 5, and you should have gotten the answer of 2. Yep. For number 6, you should have gotten the answer 4. For number 7, you should have gotten the answer of 6. For number 8, the answer was 2. And for number 4, for number 9, the answer was 4. Kermit made a mistake. Frogs don't usually do that. For number 10, let's read it. Blue paper chains are 4 inches long. Red paper chains are 3 inches long. How many are needed to have 10 inches of paper chains? Since I am a frog, I will let your teacher help you with this problem. Bye!
Okay, thank you, Kermit. And as I hope you noted, Kermit made a mistake. 8 was 3, not 2. But what do you want? He's a frog. All right, so number 10. Blue paper chains are 4 inches long. Red paper chains are 3 inches long. How many are needed to have 10 inches of paper chains? So to figure this out, I'm going to draw a picture. I need to have a chain that is 10 inches long. And I'm going to be making them up out of red paper chains, which are 3 inches long, and blue paper chains, which are 4 inches long. So what combination of red and blue could I put together to make a 10-inch chain? Well, I can't just have red, because that would be 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is 9, and another is 12. That's way too many. I couldn't have just blue, because that would be 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 4 is 12, and that's too long. So now, what combination of red and blue would make 10? Think about it. I hope you came up with the answer of a 3-inch one, and another 3-inch one would be 6, and 6 plus 4 would give you 10. So to answer the question, how many blue paper chains would we need? We'd only need 1 blue paper chain. That is an ugly one. And how many red paper chains would we need? We would need 2. Okay, let's turn to page 544. And as you can see, there's a QR code that you can scan to watch the Math on the Spot video. And then you can come back to this video if you like. If not, we'll continue with this page. Number 11 says, blue paper chains are 8 inches long. So I'm going to draw myself a blue paper chain that's 8 inches long. Red paper chains are 6 inches long. So I'm going to draw, because it always helps me to solve a problem when I draw a picture. How many are needed to have 22 inches of paper chains? So now I think to myself, what combination of red and blue would make a 22-inch chain? Or could I have all blue? Or could I have all red? Think about it for a second, and then I'll give you the answer. All right. Did you come up with 8, 8, and 6? An 8-inch chain plus another 8-inch chain would be 16. And then 16 plus 6 is 22. So it looks like I need 2 blue paper chains and 1 red paper chain. So over here I'll put 1 and a 2. Let's go on to number 12. Liza has a ribbon that is 12 inches long. She needs to cut it into pieces that are each 4 inches long. How many pieces can she make? Well, again, I always like to draw a picture to help me solve a problem. So here's my 12-inch ribbon. She has to cut it into pieces that are 4 inches long. So let's start doing that. If I cut this one, that would be 4. And I can cut another one, which would be 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. How much is left? 9, 10, 11, 12, 4. So that would be 3 pieces, because 12 divided by 4 is 3. Or I can divide 12-inch ribbon into 3 4-inch pieces. 4 plus 4 is 8, and 8 plus 4 is 12. Number 13, Jeremy used color tiles to measure the string. Each tile is 1 inch long. How long is the string? Circle the number in the box to make the sentence true. Well, seeing that the beginning of the string, we have 1, and we have another 1, and that's where the string seems to end. So the string is about 2 inches long. All right, boys and girls, in your math books, complete pages 545, 546, then take a picture of each page and upload it onto Seesaw, and you will have completed today's math lesson. Good job.